Hey guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to use the new Recycling Master Commodities import functionality. You're going to start out by going to Recycling Master Commodities, and this is going to open up the Master Commodity page. We've made some recent updates where everything that's in this green hue, you'll be able to either inline edit or one of the new releases was we allowed you to import directly from a spreadsheet and make updates to all the master commodities at one time or just specific ones. Common practice is to, on a weekly basis, update the estimated value. So to get started, you could just right click export to Excel, and that'll give you all the column headers. Now I set up a spreadsheet already, so if we take a look at the one I was working from, you could set up default counts, control, material stream if it's controlled or, non-controlled. Is it pre-sanitization or not? Over here, you could edit the pricing that you're going to pay or you're going to charge for this type of product. Default workflows. So if you want to send, let's say Apple laptops to an audit, you could group the product if you choose to. Now over here, you could auto flag it as inactive hazardous waste. So if one of these were hazardous waste, you could change that to yes. Same thing for universal waste. So it just makes it a lot easier to manage your master product stock. Once done, we're going to hit save. Now what we'll do is click import, and we'll select the import item and hit yes. That's going to import in the product. You'll see the specific changes that occurred. And if you need to make any changes, you could overwrite the changes. You can see here we have that one that we selected as an audit. We have all the different pricing that we estimated, the grouping worked, and we also had the hazardous waste flags and the inactive status is working appropriately. So that's how you use the new import functionality. Enjoy.